friends, welcome back to our ATC Information English channel. Today we are going to discuss about Pascaline machine. Click the notification bell before starting the video to get our updates. Blaise Pascal's adding machine, also known as Pascaline, was one of the earliest mechanical calculators or adding machines. It was invented in the mid-17th century by the French mathematician, physicist and inventor Blaise Pascal. Pascaline was designed particularly for addition and subtraction. It was a very important invention at that time. It reduced the chances of human error. Before going further, don't forget to download Kukufm, India's largest audiobook platform. The link and coupon code are given in the description box. So let's start with Pascal's adding machine. The Pascaline was a machine driven using a series of gears and wheels. It was a purely mechanical device and it was not dependent on electricity or any external power source. Each wheel represents a number from 0 to 9. In this, user rotates the wheel forward to perform addition and rotate backward to perform subtraction. If one wheel rotates completely, then the next wheel also rotates. Let us understand the working of this machine deeply. Consider this Pascal machine, which has 5 wheels. Here we can add 5 digits. Now example, we need to calculate 45 plus 45. For this, we will set digit 45. We will set 5 by rotating the right wheel, and the left digit will set to 4. Now we have 45. Now to add 45, we need to add 5 to 5 and 4 to 4. For this, we have to shift the wheel 5 times forward where we have already set the digit 5. Remember that the more you scroll, more you move, the more times each digit will be added. Now after rotating 5 times, the digit total will be set to 10. Now this machine will show 0 and the remaining 1 is adjusted to the next wheel. You will remember we said earlier that after 0 to 9 rotates, its next wheel will rotate. Now next wheel will rotate once. Now we will see the machine will showing 50 in the digits, because after 0 to 9 rotation the next wheel will be adjusted, so it will be 4 to 5. Now we have to add remaining 4. For that, if we spin the wheel of 5 4 times, then we will get 9, that is 90. So this is the addition. For subtraction, you need to spin the wheel in reverse direction. To reset, we need to set all the digits to 9 and then add 1 to it, due to which the entire Pascaline machine will reset to 0. Sounds interesting, right? So this was the working of Pascaline machine. Pascaline's adding machine was a remarkable invention for its time, but its complexity was high. It could not be widely adopted due to the cost of production. It was mainly used by scientists, mathematicians, and accountants. Blaise Pascal's work on Pascals laid the foundation for future development in mechanical calculators and computing machines. Over the centuries, many inventors and engineers improved Pascal's basic principles, which led to the development of more sophisticated and practical calculating machines, including famous one produced by companies such as Thomas D. Coleman's arithmeter, and eventually electronic computers calculators were included. So this was the information about Pascaline adding machine. Hope you liked this video. Please let us know in comments and share the video. Thank you.